Hey everyone, what's up? It's Dave and time for another quick tip. What's the difference between opacity and flow when it comes to digital painting? Opacity works like this. As my brush is down here, and this is with the 50% opacity, if I lay it down, no matter how many times I go over it, it's gonna lay down just that one full laminar layer of 50% opacity. If I go over it again, then we'll see the same thing. It'll just multiply that next 50% on top of it. But if we do the same thing in flow, so let's go ahead and change our flow down to something really small, like 16%. As I'm painting, it builds up. So it's only laying down the amount of paint pressure at the same time at 16%. So it'll build up a whole lot more, much more like a natural medium. So next time you're working on one of your paintings, try maybe using in your brush settings, changing your opacity controls to off pen pressure and your flow on pen pressure. You might be really surprised at the results you get. This has been another quick tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.